Okay, so my challenge today is to see if I can fly my drone up to that flag. I don't know what road leads to that, but we will see. I'm in the parking lot in downtown Carson, and we will take that challenge and we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm doing a voiceover. I ran into this construction zone and I thought I could get through, and she said to go slow because the truck might back up, and sure enough I had to turn around. I didn't want to wait, but here we are at the site. Now that flag is 1,200 feet up in the air. Now you're allowed to stay within 400 feet of the ground, which I did. And so yeah, I'll let you read this sign here real quick. A few months back, maybe 2 or 3 months, they did a restoration on the flag. And yeah, here's the sign. You have to pause this if you want to read it. It showed that it did a restoration in 2026. And there's the flag. Here, I'm not sure what I was trying to film. I'm trying to take off, but I can't use the phone and the controller at the same time. I was going to hit take off, but I can't do it. So I put the phone down, and here we go. A little slow. I was taking my time because I didn't know what I was going to run into. And being a beginner, I'm real cautious. I'm afraid to lose the drone. The drone actually belongs to my son-in-law, or not my son-in-law, my grandson. My grandson, he bought it so he could go hunting. And they told him it was illegal for him to use it for hunting purposes. So that's the only reason he bought it. So he let me have it. This is the Mini 3 Pro. I've used it maybe 3 or 4 times since then. I really don't use it for much, but today I decided I wanted to see that flag up close. And that's why I went up here in Carson City. I live in Carson City, so. Anyway, here we are getting closer, and I'm getting excited. But next time I film, which I'm going to do a part 2. Next time I film this, I'm going to go a lot faster, so I can get to the flag a lot faster. And I'm going to change some of the settings a little bit. Again, come to find out, the internal storage only has 16 gigs. I forgot my card at home. And so this will end real quick here. And that'll be the end of it. I was almost there, but I ran out of storage. So there you have it. Here's some of the rules. I looked it up on Google. This is what I found. If you want to read the whole thing, you'll have to pause it. This site is off Terrace in Carson City. I don't know the name of that little street, but next time I go up there, I will make a note of it. I just noticed when I came down the hill that I was off Terrace. So it's way up there by the hillside. Okay, so apparently my storage is full and I don't have another card. So it's as far as I can go without coming back. I don't know if I'll ever find my way back, but this is it. Sorry, I tried, but I'll come back next time with a bigger card. Or maybe I'll change these settings to 1080. No, I can't do that either. Okay, so I guess I'm stuck because I want to keep what I got. So I'll come back some other time. All right, so stay tuned. Subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll try this some other day. And you can watch this go up. It's got a little SD card. I don't know how big it is. I'm going to have to take it out and see and find another card to come up here. All right. Thanks for watching.